Oh, holy! Okay, everybody, it is a windy but beautiful day here in Michigan. We're gonna pick up the trash, clean up this front area. Let's get it done. All right, not much trash. That's nice. Let's whip it up. I'm gonna really get a chance to practice my skills on these, aren't I? Okay, how's everyone doing out there? Good? Good. All right, we are gonna shovel the sidewalk, then we're gonna mow, then we're gonna trim these bushes and rake everything up. How do you guys think I'm gonna do? I've had some practice now. This will be the ultimate test, how well I can shape these. All right, looking forward to it. Let's go. Okay, what do you say we get the mower out and clean this all up? All right, everybody. Are we ready to trim this up? Here we go. All right, how does that look? We got to trim up the weeds in the back, but I like it. Sean, what's going on? This is not the property you were working at. Hey, good observation. I figured you all could use a change of scenery, so let me show you what I'm looking at right now. This, my friends, is part of my property. It is fall here in Michigan, and we have lots of leaves, and these trees haven't even dropped yet. Now, this is a side lot where we stack up wood and other things, and my daughters park their cars, but the leaves still need to get up, so I'm gonna blow them into a big pile. You guys wanna join me? Oh, look who's here. My daughters did a little Starbucks run. Hello, daughters. Oh, one's putting the hood on, doesn't want to be seen. Real life, everybody, real life. They got their Starbucks drinks, they're headed inside. You're helping me with leaves later. Yeah, they're gonna help, they're gonna help. Okay, so we're gonna blow some leaves, have some fun. You guys wanna join me? Hey, I know this is different, but why not? Here we go. Got a helper. Hey, buddy.
Hi.
All right, I got my little helper here. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
You helping Dad?
Yep.
He's got his blower. It works, right? Look at that. Good job, pal. Hey, are you cold?
Yeah.
I'm cold too. Maybe we should warm up by the fire. Let's make a fire. Here we
Yeah.
go. All right, I'd say we did a pretty good job. My son is still in the background, just working those leaves. But here, take a look. That looks a bit better, doesn't it? Very nice, very nice. I promise you we're gonna get back to the video, but I'm a little cold. We're gonna make a fire, and I'm gonna show you guys how I warm up on a cold day like this. All right, let's get this fire going. That should do. All right, little flammable items. And I'm cheating. The sun may be shining, but it is about 40 degrees out today, so this fire is going to feel real good. Not having that insert stinks. All right, everyone, looking good up here. I like to run the whip one more time just to clean up the edges before I blow. It's just my strategy. So we're gonna do that right now. Then we'll get the front completely clean and head to the back. All right, everybody, the front is done. So much better. It really matches the street pretty nicely now. Take a look. That's so much better. Look at that. That's how it should be. And then obviously the house we did last week. Beautiful street here. All right, now my friends, we venture on into the backyard. There's gonna be quite a bit of chainsaw work. I think we're gonna start with that first. We'll get these trees cleaned up. Let's get all of this clean. Then we can kind of see what's before us. We'll see what's in that garage or where the rodents are hiding. Okay, let's get started. But first, the prayer this afternoon is no accidents. Let's be careful and cautious. Join me in that prayer. I want to keep doing this work for as long as I can. So last week was a bit scary, but here we are today, thankful. All right, here we go. Look at that. That ain't going anywhere. Get that off. Woo! Let's go. Okay, I'm not thrilled with this, people. I am reminded this is an abandoned house. I'm just gonna leave it be. That's as much as I can do right now. All right, let's keep working down the line. Okay, if you can't tell, I'm a little tired today. We had some thunderstorms roll through. It was really just thunder and lightning, not so much rain. And my son, my 9-year-old son, not a fan. We were up quite a bit last night. It's all part of it, so that's why I'm dragging a little bit. This is a massive pile. Once again, I boxed myself in. I'm gonna pull my truck out, get this to the curb. You guys ready? I gotta find some energy. Here we go. A little bit of magic. Let's make this go away. When I hit the ground, it'll be gone. Much better. That was fun. That gave me some energy. All right, people. We're going to take that flush down. But look what we did. Look what we did. Wow, that's a lot. But that feels good, doesn't it? It's amazing that that right there gave me a pickup in my energy. That was fun. Okay, we're gonna clean all this up. We're gonna get it all neatly on the tarp. We'll take it out to the street. And then we're gonna pick up some shingles. A lot of shingles, actually. Not sure how long this is gonna take, but who knows what's under here. But you know I'm not leaving that. All right, everybody. I got my energy back. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we have moved on to this pile of junk. Look what I found. I was wondering why my cell phone signal was so strong back here. Okay, that's a bad dad joke. I'm full of those. This is going to take a while. Oh, holy! Oh my gosh. Okay, oh my heart is racing. So many of you have asked about snakes. I thought Michigan just had gardener snakes. I don't know if it was a biting snake, but I'm okay. Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna be super careful.